Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on eye protection mode for night gaming on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our tablet and then scroll down to display menu on the sidebar. Now here, in order to enable the eye protection mode, we're gonna have to go to the eye comfort, and then we can either turn it on manually by switching this toggle to the right, or we can schedule it by enabling turn on automatically feature, and then either select sunset to sunrise mode, which will enable this mode at the sunset and it will be active until the sunrise, or we can select a custom time option and then set the custom time ourselves, so the start time and the end time. And besides, when the mode is active, we can adjust the blue light level by moving this slider to the right to increase it, or to the left to decrease it, or we can also reduce the white point in the very same way. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.